Hey guys, so today I'm doing a mini day in my life kind of vlog and I will take you guys along. Actually my days are like pretty boring. I'm just in the house working, shooting or editing or like replying to emails or something or the other, so they are not as interesting. But yeah, I will show you guys what I do. I just woke up and I have splashed water on my face. I need to do my skincare and I need my chai. I have like a chai addiction. I need my chai first thing in the morning. So let's do that. So I start my day with like hot lemon water. I've been doing it since many years now. Especially right now, like I'm not feeling that well. I had a viral like 4-5 days ago. My throat is still hurting a little bit. So yeah, especially right now I'm having more of hot water even during the night. And then of course we have our chai. I'm having overnight soaked oats for breakfast. So yeah, we will eat that. So we are done with breakfast. I'll be shooting now. I mostly shoot all of my content in the afternoon because I use natural light. तो इतना तो नहीं आता natural light, जो भी जितना आता है I have to make use of it. So I will shoot the content before 5, like before it gets dark. बहुत सारी weddings है, तो wedding season is your. Even I have 1-2 weddings to attend और बहुत सारी शादियाँ हो रही. Just yesterday I saw this meme on Instagram. किसी ने share किया था. There's this new bug on Instagram. Whenever I open the app, someone gets married. So yeah, बहुत सारी शादियाँ हो रही है. So I wanted to shoot some wedding related content like Indian wear and stuff. और मुझे hair का कुछ करना था. Last haircut last December में कराया था. So it's been almost 1 year. And मैंने घर पे 2 बार trim किया था बीच में, but I haven't got like a proper haircut done since 1 year. So I have booked an urban company service today for my haircut and a little bit of hair styling like curls or something. तो मैं वेडिंग कंटेंट शूट करने वाली हूँ आज. तो या आई विल बी शूटिंग द बिफोर रील अभी एंड टिल द पर्सन कम्स एंड उसके बाद वी विल गेट टू द हेयर एंड देन आई विल डू द मेकअप एंड आउटफिट. So I went with curtain bangs and she did a great job and even the curls look like pretty good. Very happy with the service. I need to have lunch क्योंकि मैंने सिर्फ breakfast किया था. So yeah, and this took quite some time and मैं generally hair styles और nails इसके लिए नहीं कराती because I don't have the patience for 1.5-2 घंटा बैठ के. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा irritate होता है. I know there are some content creators who do their nails every month. मुझ में उतना patience नहीं है बैठने का. So yeah, but obviously I love the results. वो end में जो results आते हैं वो obviously बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. So yeah, love how the hair looks. Now let's have lunch. So I am done with the makeup and I'm wearing the outfit जो मुझे shoot करना है. Love how it turned out. think it's looking more red, but it is orange. पता नहीं वो I think ऊपर वाला pigment is more reddish, pinkish. But I tried to match like this. The lipstick is like perfectly matching. वो eyes थोड़ा orange से pinkish हो गया है. But this is how it looks, and yeah, pretty happy with how it turned out. So yeah guys, that's it for today. I shot a few reels. I have to sit and edit them now, and I will make some chai for me. That is pretty much how I spend my day, like pretty much every day. After editing the reels, I'll post something on Instagram, and I'll reply to emails, I'll get back to messages and calls. Yeah, I work out alternate days, so I worked out yesterday, so I'm not doing that today. And I hope you like this vlog. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you would like to see more such vlogs, let me know down in the comments below to see like behind the scenes BTS. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching.